we've just got down to Kampung Baru, which is like 2 train stops away from, where were we? Ampang Park? We were staying at the Hilton, which is pretty much central KL. And we got off at the train station. We've taken a right. Don't go left, go right. Helps if you can ask someone, because it wasn't easy to find on Google. And we're just going to start walking down and have a look at what's around. Check that out. I guess what's most interesting about this area is it's probably like the original of Malaysia and what KL used to be like when I was growing up. And you can see all the big tall buildings behind me that have taken over the area, and they're looking to buy out all the land from all the locals here and start rebuilding and updating the area so it looks more like the newer version of KL. Progress, I guess. But we wanted to take the opportunity to come down here and see what it was really like before progress happens. Kerupuk ikan? Ya.
Pandai cakap Melayu.
Oh, sedapnya. Terima kasih. Ni cempedak?
Cempedak.
Ya. Wow. Oh.
Dia kalau nangka dia tak ada bau.
Ya.
Kalau cempedak dia ada bau.
Ya. Oh, okay. Sedap lah. Terima kasih. Behind us is the Masjid Jamek mosque here in Kampung Baru. We didn't really have a plan of how we were going to look around today. We just wanted to sort of take a stroll, see where we end up, and sometimes it's where you find the most interesting things, I guess. Talk to interesting people, so we just thought we'd have a go. There is a tour you can do between 4 and 7:30 every night, which is which we might come back and do, but we are going to come back for some nighttime dinner and wander around. So Mike was hungry and we decided to just stop at some random roadside place and have some beautiful food and ayam goreng, chicken. It's fine, like we drink the water here, we eat the local food at the hawker store. We've not had a problem yet, fingers crossed. Kerja sini? Siapa boleh tolong? Nak makan ayam goreng? Ayam goreng? Ya, boleh? Boleh kita makan? Boleh.
Ya, mesti ya. Ialah yang dia.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Self-service. Yeah, ais teh tarik ada? Yeah, sejuk. And what do you want to drink?
Yeah, same as you.
Kopi tarik, tapi sejuk. Yeah, it was, yeah. movie being made. Oh no, not movie. TV episode.
Yeah, TV show.
Oh, TV show. What's the name of the TV show?
Budak Tebing.
Budak Tebing. What's
Yes.
Tebing mean?
Tebing meaning is sea.
Yeah. It's a budak is boy, like
Oh,
child.
yes, boy.
Yeah.
Well, you know me, I'm from Africa, so we need to talk lah. River,
Yeah. And sea meet together.
the okay, this one. This is the bank.
Yeah.
This is sea.
Yeah.
So it port.
Oh,
They
port.
port. Yeah. They port.
Hi.
They call it Budak Tebing.
Budak Tebing. So are they famous?
Yes.
Yes.
Famous one. His name is Adam Lee.
Adam Lee.
Yes, Adam Lee.
Wow. Okay, wow, check out this beautiful old house, and of course right behind it, KLCC. It's the original Malay Kampung areas from 1899. Very beautiful.